Hello, hello, hello. Dorothy here at Done by Dorothy, and we are here today to do an unboxing. Excuse me. I got a package from PandaHall Select. They reached out to me about if I would be willing to do some tutorials and to try some of their products. So I wanted to share that with you. I will put all the links to the items that I got in the description box below, as well as a link to all of their social media, their website, all of that, as well as the code. I was given a coupon code. If you use Done by Dorothy, you save $6 off orders of $59 or more, and it's good from December 7th of 21 to December 7th of 22. So, $6 off 59 if you're buying items, craft items. Why not save some money? So let's get with it. I did already just pop the back open, so because I wasn't sure how terrifying it would be inside, but it was actually not too bad. So I'm going to pull out all the items that were in there, and we will go through them. Let me see. Okay. Let me put this to the side. And I will make sure to list, like I said, the links in the description box below. So let's get with it. I will start with this, I guess. Oh, this has come off of something. Maybe that bag over there. It looks like it came off this bag because this one's already got one. So this I got, and I thought I want to, work on a steampunk journal. So I thought, why not? And try some leather strapping. So I got some leather strapping. Let's see, it says, yeah, it's just a roll of leather strip. And I believe it is, let's see, 3/4 of an inch. So, I thought it would be perfect to use with a steampunk journal. So some leather strapping. So that would work great. Let me put this back in my little bag so I have the code if I want to reorder some more. So yeah, some leather strapping. It's sort of bull, but there. And then I got this. So I thought, some of these would be really cool to do some, use for different projects and stuff. Let's see, this is, and I believe these are 5 yards, maybe. 3 yards, maybe. I'll have to double check on that. This one's home sewing, handmade. It has handmade across it. Just really cute ribbon. Let me see if I can. There's one with a sewing machine. Try to get back where you can see. And there's one with the little lace card. Then there's just a handmade with the hearts. There's handmade with a, and then a sewing machine. So it just repeats itself. But I thought that was really cute. And I thought, that would be really nice. Sometimes it's just to add to a bulb pen or, something in a journal just to show that it's handmade. Because sometimes people don't realize, that you would think you would realize that they were handmade, but sometimes people just don't. Because I've had people go, well, oh, did you make these by hand? Well, yeah. And then these are cute. This comes as a package. Both of these come together. And this one is really, really cute, and it has handmade with love on it, which, is perfect for gifts, especially like Christmas time, Valentine's Day, birthdays, anniversaries, weddings, all of those times. So I thought those are really cute and could very well be used, on a tag, bulb pens. There's just a lot of things you could use them for. And then I got this, and this is, it doesn't say there. I think this is a 5-yard set. And it's embroidered little butterflies. And there's green and yellow and purple and blue and pink and orange. How cute are those? Aren't these cute? So that those would be really cute to use on tags or pages, tabs. I mean, all kinds of things. So there is a bunch of those. Let's come on done. I'll just set it to the side and roll it later. So I got that. And they have tons of stuff. I mean, don't think it's just limited to this. I mean, they have a ton of stuff. Yeah, the butterfly is 5 yards. And this is also 5 yards. And this, and I'm telling you, their prices were really good. Let me trying to find that end here. Or an end of this. They've sort of got it knotted up here to hold it together. Try to get it unknotted here. Okay. There we go. And I got this. Let me try to grab a piece of paper, there you go, white piece of paper so you can see that this is so pretty. If you're doing like shabby chic journals, anything like that, it's like pinks and mauves. And they're little bitty clusters of like sort of, they look almost like ribbon roses. They're so cute. So those are going to be so cute to use on tags. And like I said, you know, there's 5 yards of it. I mean, that was quite a bit. So was excited to get that. And then I got this. Let me grab my pokey tool holder here and get under the plastic. Then I got these, and there we go. Make sure I take the little, there we go. That peeled off. I always like to do that so I can have the item number. So if I want to reference back and buy it again, I can. And there are 60 of these in the box. And it says PandaHall Elite Creativity on Fingertips. And let's see. Let's open our little box. And it comes in this cute little box, first of all, for storage. So hooray for boxes for storage. And there's a little bag. Put it in my little box here. And there are a variety of these, but these are the little connectors that go like between your beads. Like you put your jump ring in your jump ring. Like that one's a little flower. And like it has 2 holes. This one, there's actually multiples of those. And there's a lot of those. There's another little flower one. Trying to see, let's see. And there's quite a few of the big ones, which I really liked because, let's see. There's a bunch of the little roses. There's little bows, which are really cute, the little bows. So there is a nice variety of them. Oh, there's a different kind. I'm trying to split these up so I can. And there's a little, it almost looks like a little cherry blossom type. Let's see. Let's see, there's ribbons. I'm trying to see if there's any other kind in here to show you, but there's a nice variety. See, that's there, that's there. Oh, yep, there's, let me get in here and see if I can find a way to get a hold of one here. Let's see, those are bows. Okay. Then there's some that are just little, oh, it's just a little solid heart connector. And it has, you know, that hole on both sides so you can loop it through there. Let's see. There's quite a few of the different ones. So I was trying to see how many there was of, if there was the same amount of each one. There might be 6 different ones, maybe. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, there's at least 7 there. So those are bows, those are bows. That goes there. Let's see. So there's quite a few of them. when you actually get to look, and I didn't think there was this many in here. Okay, so see, those are bows. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. There's 10 of the heart. 2, 4, 6, 8. 10 of the, like the 3D roses. Okay, there's 10 of the little apple blossoms. 10. 1, 2, 3, 6, 8, 10. Okay, there's 10 of each one. So there's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And then there's 6 of the large ones. So there's 56 total. But they're so nice because, I mean, like these, you could put a bulb ring on them, or, you know, even attach that. Or a bulb pin. You know, you can hang different charms off of. I mean, there's a lot of things that you could do. I like the fact that you can run it onto a paper clip and then still have beads off the bottom. So very, very nice. Very happy with those. And they're not, these are like the little, like sometimes you get them and they seem really cheap and really thin. These are very thick. I mean, you can sort of see from the back, and they're pretty thick. They're not, you know, like little, sometimes you get them and they're bendy and they're just not very good quality. These are actually really nice. Like the little rose ones, I mean, look how thick those are. And I mean, it's got a nice 3D detail to it. So yeah, so I got all of that. So I'm going to we'll be doing some tutorials using some of these, making some tags, doing some beading with these because I absolutely love these. Save my little bag because you never know when you're going to need that. Doing some tags. We're going to be doing some leather work with our leather. So lots of videos coming in the future with tutorials using these PandaHall Select items. So stay tuned for those. I hope you guys have a great day, and we will see you again. Again, remember, all of the links for PandaHall Select will be in the description box below, as well as a coupon code. And each of these items I will have listed with their specific link where you can just click and go. You know, because I know, you know, a lot of people may be interested, especially like in this like shabby chic rose. That is absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, stay tuned for those tutorial videos in the future, and I hope you have a great day, and we'll see you again soon. Bye now.